How to build a React data grid in a minute. Start with a basic React application already created and opened in a Visual Studio Code window. First, install the required Wijmo packages from npm. To do so, run the command npm install at meshes/wijmo.react.all. This will install the required packages to use Wijmo in this React application. Once the installation is complete, import the files to implement the data grid. Inside the app.jsx file, import the wijmo.css file, as well as the FlexGrid control from the wijmo.react.grid file. These will allow us to properly initialize the data grid control. Now, create the grid and add some data to it. First, create a new file called data.jsx. This file will contain a function called getData, which will return an array of data. Then, we'll export the method as data. Next, inside the app.jsx file, add an import to reference the data value. Inside the file's return statement, use the FlexGrid control we imported in markup to create the data grid. Use the imported data and set the value to the FlexGrid's item source property so the data grid will load the data. Now, run the application using the npm run dev command. After the application compiles, the grid is displayed locally in the browser. And just like that, we built a data grid in a React application in a minute. By default, Wijmo's FlexGrid allows you to sort and edit the data within the grid, but it also includes many additional features such as pagination, filtering, and dynamic grid cells. Download a free trial today at developer.meshes.com.